She took over the whole bed. She was in the center of the bed. I had no room.
This is a pre-workout. Oh, my voice sounds lovely. Herbalife and then Lit. This is actually a pre-workout. This is a protein. Almond milk. Boom. How are you?
Doing good.
You on the vlog?
Oh, what up, what up, what up?
Everywhere I go, I get a standing ovation. Speaking the code, my game got no imitation. It's innovation, we taking off like we in a spaceship. You are now experiencing greatness. 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 Yeah, you are now experiencing. Yeah, yeah. Let it rock. Come out. Come out. Let it rock.
Breakfast of champions. There it is, guys. It's either a shake or one of those meal preps for breakfast. A protein before I work out and then a meal or a protein after. It just depends on like the mood you're in. Like if I feel like I've lifted a lot and I'm tired, like really tired, then I'll do a meal. If I feel like pretty good, then I'll just do a shake, if that makes sense. So if I'm like hungry, I'll eat the meal. If I'm fine, then I'll do the shake. This is my morning lineup right now, the skincare lineup. So the Genifique from Lancome, the Ola Hendrickson moisturizer and eye cream. I'm gonna stop sugarcoating stuff and just show you guys the real deal because my bathroom's kind of a mess right now, but I'm just gonna show you what's like typically on my counter and in my drawers. It's only fair, right? I told you about this. I love this Bobbi Brown cream. It's like super hydrating, but I like using it on my hands. Got my deodorant, Nivea, you already know. I have a La Mer eye cream that I'm trying out, so I'll alternate between this and this, or this and this, I mean. Got my Kiehl's, I love this, the Creme de Corps. And then I haven't been using this, but I don't know why it's out. The Perfecting treatment. It's just there, you know. It's just there. Down here, oh boy, this is the scary drawer. These are my little skincare drawers that I have under the sink. These are from the Container Store, but you can see it's a little messy up here. It's okay. And then we got some more skincare down here. We got the Crest. So yeah, they're not that organized. They're kind of a mess, but this is where I keep like my go-to skincare. I don't want to like clean up and then show you guys like that's how it is. That's not how it is. Okay. This is how it is. All right, let's see what the tea is. I like to relax for like, I say 15 minutes, sometimes it's like an hour after my workout where I just drink my coffee and I might troll Instagram a little bit, you know? Let's see what the tea is. Oh, people are still clowning Fergie. Poor girl. Here's the thing, like someone had to go down All-Star Weekend, you know? Like someone had to get clowned more than anyone else and it just happens to be her, you know? I feel bad though because it's not easy singing the national anthem and you could tell she was trying to really like do something different and creative and like it just didn't happen. Like maybe she didn't practice like she should have, I don't know, but I do feel bad for her because it's hard. It's not easy standing up in front of comedians, professional clowners, you know, and singing. So, poor Fergie. Let's see what else. Don and Boppin' all over the gram. Okay. Black Panther. You guys need to see Black Panther, okay? You need to see it. It's a good movie. It's a great movie. It's one of those movies where like I need to go back and see it again because I feel like there's so many like metaphors that I missed, you know? Like I was looking back, I was like, dang, wait a second. I don't want to give anything away, but I was like, dang, wait, I think, you know, there's like so many undertones and metaphors and it's worth seeing at least twice within the first week. I'm gonna say that much. Oh my gosh, my makeup room is such a mess, you guys. Look at all this stuff. I know. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And then I have my, this is bad. I have all this on the floor. I was gonna review the Jeremy Scott collection with MAC, which is why it's like here. And then I just didn't. Like, I was like, okay, I'm gonna do the Dior review, and then I'm gonna do this, and it just never happened. I definitely need to clean. I'm gonna film a little like Instagram makeup video. Like, I haven't done an Instagram just like makeup tutorial in a hot minute, so I'm gonna do that today. Got my camera, I'm gonna show you guys right here. Turn on the camera, sure it's on video. This is basically what my filming setup looks like, minus me. I just got this mirror, so I just put it here. I don't really use it. This is my monitor. It should be on a stand, but it's not. It's fine. This will do. It's like, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm just gonna keep using this until it breaks. So I have a monitor on my desk. I sit there, got my microphone. That's where the magic happens, folks. This is what I look at, folks. Why do I say folks like that? But this is basically my setup. Listen, by the time I upload, it's gonna be clean. I'm gonna clean it up. Like, I just felt really guilty all of a sudden because I have so much stuff all over the desk. Watching you, watching me, watching you, watching me. Finished filming this look for Instagram. Just like a little 20-second video. And I'm about to take off my earrings. I literally put them on just for the video. Take off my jean jacket, edit the video, and then clean the room. Oh, that's very nice. Very, very nice. How do I look freaking like 56 right there? Almost done editing. Just trying to find the right music. Got my lunch. I know I should have done a shake, but I'm hungry. I got some tapatio all over the salmon, some quinoa or whatever this is, and broccoli. All right, y'all, here's the finished look. Psych, you have to go to my Instagram to see the rest. Maybe leave a little, what should we do, a pink emoji? If you with that vlog life, pink emoji. Something. Time to organize. So this is the point where I'm gonna throw makeup away. I already threw 2 bins of these away, you guys. And I didn't show you because y'all get sensitive when it comes to throwing makeup away. Even if it could possibly give me an eye infection, if it's old, expired, you guys are hella sensitive. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna show them the makeup I threw away, but I'm gonna show you guys me organizing and how I pick like what to organize where. So these little bins you guys have seen, like a lot of us influencers have them, get them from the Container Store. I like my go-to lip products to be up here, kind of like my favorites. And now it's kind of getting to the point where the drawers are getting overwhelmed. Like for instance, this is just a MAC drawer, which is perfect. This one's also, this is also a MAC drawer, but you can see there's like other lipsticks in there. So we just need to get organized. This is a gloss drawer. It's doing too much. So I think what I'm gonna do is put ColourPop and probably Kylie lipsticks in here. And then I need to figure out what to put in this bin here. Boom. So all the lipsticks are here, and then when you pull the little drawer out, and they won't move around when it's full, but when you pull the drawer out, you can see all the lipstick shades on the side here. I think I'm actually gonna have Kayla finish organizing these, give her something to do so she's not bored. This like has to happen every couple months. Bins, oh my gosh, I just love these. They're not like the prettiest to look at, but I love them. This is my foundation drawer, so you can see I have like my current favorites. So the Marc Jacobs, Lancome, Bobbi Brown, and then Huda Beauty. This one's a little dark. I need to get a lighter shade. They're just always sold out. And then concealers, blushes. I have powders in this drawer. I know it's kind of a mess. And then lashes. I don't know how I decided to like organize it like this. And then I have eyeshadow palettes down here. And then mascaras. And like a bunch of randomness up here. Stuff piles up in here. You guys just don't even know. It's bad. And like I've come to grips with it. I'm acknowledging that I hoard lashes, okay? I will use lashes until they fall apart. So I'll have like 50 pairs of Miami lashes from Lily Lashes, but I'll use the same pair. Like it's a problem. Like it's like hard for me to throw lashes away, you know? And they mold to your eye, and I have a problem.
I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay.
Like, I'm about to take this unit off. My hair is a little funky. I can feel it. I've been sweating in it. It's time to unleash the wig. Here, Les is, oh! What's that? Is that from you?
No, not from me.
Oh. Oh, let's see who it is. Oh, it's from Marc Jacobs. That's so sweet. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, for real, I'm about to take off this unit. Like, for real, for real. I hate taking my braids out. I feel like it would be a lot easier if my hair was shorter. Part of me wants to, like, just cut it off, you know? Tonight's dinner, Herbalife healthy meal replacement and protein. 2 scoops of both. Damn, this is hard to do with one hand. Does this scare you?
Scare me? No. I remember that thing on Martin that was like terrorizing them on that trip they were on.
What are you talking about?
You never seen Martin when they had that thing? They were like Martin.
What thing?
It was some monster. It was like a monster on the ground. It was like jumping everywhere. It was like some big old rat.
A rat?
Yeah.
A rat? I have a leave-in conditioner on. And a conditioner. I have all types of stuff in my hair right now, basically.
Care your hair, ladies.
What voice was that?
It's not with a specific voice.
Oh, you almost caught it on fire! Oh, hell no! I just finished washing my hair. I'm gonna be spending the next hour blow drying this. I know. But thank you guys for spending the day with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bing, bing, bing. And I'll see y'all next time. Did Wendy Williams really say Beyonce couldn't sing? Wendy, we gonna have to have a talk, okay?